What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Spicy by Ty-Dolla-Ign and Post Malone. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll throat punch you right in the face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, the song is in standard tuning and it's just got 3 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is A minor. It's 002210. Middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Next up is a B flat. You're gonna go index finger 2nd fret A, then you're gonna bar the 4th fret on the D, G, and B string with your ring finger. Then final chord is a C. Slide that formation, that entire thing just down 1 fret to where you're on 3, 5, 5, 5. Once you get the chords down, you just need your picking pattern. Starting with A minor, you're picking A, D, B, G, and you'll be picking that same thing on the C. A, D, G, B. I'm using my thumb, index, ring finger, middle, and then you mute. Go to your B flat, and you're just picking A, D, B. Same as your A minor. Back to B, picking the same way you did the first time. Have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.